How you doing, everyone? It's your boy Dwayne Crawford, Mr. Why Cry Over Money? Why? Because money won't cry over you. Listen, first thing, let me say happy belated Thanksgiving to everyone. I hope you was able to enjoy, time with family and friends and had great food and great celebration with one another. So, as y'all all know, it's the day after Thanksgiving, one of the greatest, biggest shopping times of the year. And one of the things we always talk about that I love to talk about is consumer buying, because who are we supporting when we out there spending all this money? We're supporting the one percenters. Yeah, the one percenters, the big business. Those companies like Walmart, J.C. Penney's, Macy's, all these companies that we go out there and we support during this time frame. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, I'm just saying we are supporting the one percenters that's out there already making, they're already millionaires and billionaires. But that's what it is. So look, as you see here, I have a consumer mindset and an entrepreneur mindset. A consumer, which is what most people are, they go out there and they buy stuff for emotional enjoyment or just for use, and they reap no benefit. An entrepreneur mindset is someone who buys something and that something makes them money. They take their money to make them money, right? It's literally a simple principle called cash, asset, cash. I take some cash, buy an asset that makes me cash. All right. Another thing that I've learned over the years is a concept called prosumer. A prosumer is someone that buys something from themselves and get paid to buy it. Yeah, that's amazing. That's what I do. That's what I have taught myself how to do. That's what I have learned how to do over the years. I buy from myself, and here's what I mean. I own a part of Best Buy. I own a part of Walmart. I own a part of these companies. So because I'm buying from these companies, I'm reaping a benefit from buying from the things I'm going to buy anyway. That's amazing, don't you think? So it's called being a prosumer. A consumer only buys. All they get is the item that they purchase. A prosumer, they buys. Not only do they buy the product, they also get money for buying that product. That's where you want to be. And we can teach you how to do that. You can always reach out to me and I can show you how to do that. But that is literally the difference between a consumer and your entrepreneur mindset. Now I also want to show you something. And I think it's very important that you see this, especially during this holiday season. Because many people go into debt during this season. They go out there and they put things on their credit card so they can have enjoyment. All right. So I just want you to see what many people are dealing with when it comes down to these credit cards. All right. All right. Here's what it is. It's called a bloody mess. All right. And this is what you're doing. This is how credit card interest affects most people. It's called a bloody mess. All right. Interest is the penalty you pay for the right to own something in advance that you couldn't afford. All right? Think about it. Anytime you can't afford something, interest is attached. When you buy a house, you got to go to the bank to get a loan to buy a house, and then they tax interest on it. When you go out there and buy a car, you go out there to get a loan to buy a car, and they attach interest on it. When you go out here and you take your credit card to go purchase something that you don't have the cash for, they attach interest on it. This is what we call the bloody mess. And this is what I want you to understand. Because a lot of people right now is out here shopping with their credit card that they're saying to themselves, I can buy this now and I know I can pay it off next year. So I want you to see what most people are dealing with. All right, we're gonna call it's called the bloody mess, because truly it's a bloody mess. All right. You owe $5,000 on your credit card. Just say you went out here this year and you went out there and you bought a living room set, and that living room set cost you $5,000. All right. So you took that credit card and you bought this living room set. All right. The credit card company say, hey, okay, all you owe us at a minimum is $100 a month. And you like, okay, this is awesome. All I got to do is pay a minimum of $100 and I can own this couch set, all right? Or this living room set. at a rate of 21%. 21%. That's a credit card. You even got higher than that. I haven't seen people with 36% interest on their credit card. 36%. I'm just saying 21%. And I know there's higher, okay? All right? So here's what we're saying. Your monthly interest rate is 21. That's a percent of the interest rate you have on this credit card. Divided by 12 months in a year, equals to 1.75% interest. All right? All right? Your interest payment is 0.0175. Move that decimal 2 places to the left. It's 0.075 times 5,000, because that's how much you owe on the card. That equals to $87.50 a month. That is what you are paying towards interest. Remember, I told you, out of that $100 that the bank, they said this is all you got to pay, a minimum is $100, $87.50 of that is going towards the interest. So what's left over? $12.50 is going towards the principal. So out of that $100, only $12.50 is actually going towards to knock down that $5,000. So in reality, $5,000 divided by $12.50, that is what is going to the principal payment, is going to equal to 400 months. 400 months. So in your sentence or your time, so 400 months divided by 12 months in a year, that's 33 years. 33 years, all right? So your bank, and this is going to take you 33 years now to pay off $5,000 at a minimum of $100. So the bank, on the other hand, you paid them $87.50, 56 cents a month for 400 months. The bank just made $35,000 off of a $5,000 purchase. That's a lot of money to be paying the bank for a $5,000 living room set. That is what some of you out there is going to do right now during the holiday season. Your money is going to make somebody rich. It better be you. It's best to be you. So listen, this is just one of many principles that we teach here in MyEcon. And right now, we actually having our own Black Friday sale, our own holiday sale that you can actually get on so you can learn how to reduce these type of things. You can learn how to minimize your taxes, minimize your debt, minimize your expenses, and even learn how to start investing. Plus, you get to learn also how to fix your credit, which is very important. Just think about it. If you're able to fix your credit, can you lower your interest rate on your house? Think about it. You went from a 5 to a 750. Now you can go refinance your house, bring that additional money back into your house. Can you now go refinance your car? Can you now go and possibly go and talk to the credit card company and lower your interest rate? Yes, you can. Just by raising your credit score. These are all the things that you get and many, many more. And as I said in the beginning, remember I first started, I said you become a prosumer instead of a consumer. We teach you how to become a prosumer. Wouldn't you want to be a prosumer? Wouldn't you like to get paid to buy things that you already buying? Wouldn't you like to start right now? You can literally start right now. And you can go in there and get your own mall and start shopping from yourself. Or even send that mall out and let other people shop from you and you make money during this great time frame. Wouldn't you like to get on board? If you really get on board and you're ready to get started, look, reach out to me. Or you just want more information, reach out to me. I can be reached at 910-745-7299. That's 910-745-7299. Oh, hey, get me on www.whycryovermoney.com. All right? Because, hey, it's your boy, Dwayne Crawford. Look, love you. Have a happy holidays.